training video series is I'll talk a little bit about this WordPress theme that I purchased. And if you're interested in creating an authority site, the best theme that you could probably purchase right now on the market is a theme called Authority Pro. And I actually wrote a post about it here on my website. And this whole website here was created with Authority Pro, as you can see here at the bottom of the footer. I'm actually going to remove this eventually, but this shows here that it's created with Authority Pro. And Authority Pro provides a lot of really cool features that you're not going to find in any other theme, and it's specific to creating an authority site. And especially if you're an internet marketer and you wanted to sell some products and do some reviews, profile reviews, a lot of video marketing. There's a number of different tools in this theme that's going to help you do that. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, when you first come into Authority Pro, it has these buttons up here, which is one's the dashboard and one is squeeze pages. The dashboard here has all the SEO set up, so you can see here target SEO keyword. You can place your description, your meta tag keywords, and also the actual title of the website itself. So, looking at this here, you can basically set up your SEO structure, and it's going to display properly on search engines. Another really cool feature of this here, they have this what's considered a sticky page. So if you have a page that you want to show up on your for example here, right below here, right below the slider, will be a page. And it can be like a couple words like introducing yourself or introducing your website, and it'll show up every single time somebody comes to your homepage. It'll show up right here. Let me actually kind of show you how that works. So let's say I want to show a page. Let's do something like, let's say about us. Okay, we got that enabled and active, and we'll go ahead and save it. And if I come back here and I go ahead and refresh this page, you see, here's the About Us. And this is always going to show up every single time somebody comes to your home site, your home page. It's sticky, which means that it will always stick to the very top portion of your page. That's kind of cool. I have mine turned off just because it's I just want to show the most recent posts. So let's go ahead and turn that off. Come back here and refresh, and you'll notice that once we refresh, that the sticky page is gone. Okay, and the sticky page is gone. So let's go back here now. And another really cool feature is the ability to split page or split test your opt-in code. So Authority Pro lead generation. Basically, there's 4 different slots and 4 different areas to put in your Aweber or iContact or whatever type of lead generation type of software you're using. And you can activate or deactivate them. And these show up on your sidebar areas here, and it also shows up. Let me show you here. If I go into a post, it's also going to show up inside your post. So it automatically will submit or actually place one of these opt-in boxes within each and every post, and it does that automatically. So when you see some of these websites where they have these really cool opt-ins in each and every post, you wonder, wow, how did they do that? They do that by either purchasing a very expensive plugin, or they're using Authority Pro to do it. Now, each of these features were built into Authority Pro based on feedback from internet marketers and also on the amount of plugins they had to purchase to create their websites. Okay, so it's very geared to authority sites and geared to internet marketers. And down here is where you set up your profile and your review stars. And this is basically if you're doing a post on a product or doing a post on a person or a profile ranking. So basically, say you're doing something on Frank Kern, or you're doing something on Brian Johnson, and you're doing it on actually the person itself, you use the profile rankings. And if you're doing something on the products that they sell, you're doing a review rankings. And if we go here, I'll give you an example of what that looks like. Let's go here to Craig. his six-figure code. And as you go down here, I kind of give an idea what it is and what they're gonna get from it. And I see I took out the plugin. Let me pause this for a second. I need to put the plugin back in so it actually works. Okay, I'm back. So let me show you what I did. Basically, I went ahead and activated the widget that I use for this. So what I do with these posts is I create a post and then I can go ahead and name it. I give it a style name, and I'll show you that in a second. But here's a review, and as you can see here, now we have star ratings. So the star ratings are based on the type of content that's on the page, and it's related to whatever's showing up here. So there's a lot of relationships and links in between posts and pages, and it's really smart. It knows that this is a review, and it knows to go ahead and display this widget here that gives star ratings for other marketing products. But let me go back in here and show you something. Now here's the widget that I was playing around with when I paused the video. I had actually changed the categories on the site, and I forgot to update this widget. And what I told the widget is, please show widget when there's a review, reviews on reviews, and also on the category called marketing course. And since I changed the categories, this was blank, and I had to go ahead and reactivate that. Saved it, and then everything showed up. Now, if we go back here, and let's go ahead and see if I can go from here to the edit. Can I edit this here? Yeah, I can. Here we go. Now, if we go into the post, the way Authority Pro knows what style to display is here in this media type section. The media type section gives you a number of different ways to display content. A regular content post, which is nothing, just regular content. A download, so if you're downloading something, and if you're showing a video, a resource page, profile, if I'm doing a profile review on somebody, product reviews, that's what we're doing right now, and custom multimedia. Now, so far I've used content post, I've used video, product review, and I believe that's all I used so far. Download's another powerful one too. Basically, you use it if you're doing some type of squeeze page or something.